Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here, and today I'm sharing with you all 5 different Dollar Tree DIYs for Christmas. They all have a candy, peppermint, and gingerbread theme to them, and I'll be using them in a few different areas of my home this year. First up are extra large peppermint candies. These are so much fun, and I think they would work great indoors or outdoors for your Christmas decor. Let me show you what you'll need for this project. I pulled out some handy dandy white spray paint in flat. I picked up 2 pizza pans from the Dollar Tree. Each peppermint will require 1. I decided to wrap my candies up, so I picked up some clear wrap and a red felt tree skirt. Now you could skip that step and get some felt squares from Walmart or Hobby Lobby. Any craft store carries them. I also used my scissors, a couple of rubber bands, some ribbon, and my hot glue gun. I actually tried to make these a few years back by painting on the candy stripes. It was a nightmare. So this time I made a little template, traced and cut out my pieces, and just hot glued the stripes on. It is so much faster, easier, stress-free, and all your stripes will be the same shape and size. Now to that, I wanted to cover up the little section in the middle, so I just cut a circle out of my felt, and that's all there is to it. Then I used my clear wrap to wrap them up just like real candy, securing my ends with a rubber band before adding some ribbon. Now on to our next set of DIYs. Now you could do these a million different ways. I picked up the red and white striped clothesline from the Dollar Tree and a few of their floral foam shapes. You could use pom-poms, I didn't, but whatever suits your decor. First off, we're going to be using that clothesline to give all these shapes some candy stripes. First up, our little peppermint candies. Now these could be easily turned into lollipops with just the addition of a stick. To make these, I knotted one end of the clothesline before winding it back around and around using lots of hot glue to secure it. These round foam shapes come in sets of 2 at the Dollar Tree, and 1 clothesline will cover them both. Now on to our twisted peppermint candy cane trees. Just pick up one of the foam tree forms from the Dollar Tree or any craft supply store. Repeat the process of tying a knot in one end of your clothesline to use as an anchor to glue down onto your shape. Then just slowly and carefully add a little hot glue as you wind your clothesline all the way down your shape. Now we'll repeat the same process with our little peppermints, tying a little knot and giving myself a little bit of a start with winding the rope before securing it on to the middle of the top of one of the spheres. Then again, just adding hot glue, winding the rope, and securing it along the way. These foam shapes come in sets of 3 or 4 at the Dollar Tree, or you could always use something you have on hand, like some ornaments you may be ready to give a makeover to. Now on to our gingerbread trees. These are so much fun and could not be more easy. I'm starting out with one of the floral foam cones. I picked up a set of 3 at my 99-cent store. Now I'm just hot gluing one end of some brown felt down to the end of the cone before winding it and securing it, trimming off any extra. I did go ahead and add a little bit of white rickrack just for the stripes, and that's all there is to these 5 simple DIYs for Christmas. Let me know in the comments down below which one of these was your favorite. I'm loving the gingerbread trees, and I can't wait to share them with you all in my Christmas home tour coming Sunday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern. I hope you all enjoyed seeing how I took a few things from the Dollar Tree and transformed them for my Candyland theme for Christmas this year. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon in the next video.